Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be talking about the Bountiful Blue Blueberry variety that's coming up right now. I'm going to begin with the issues I've experienced with this blueberry variety. First and foremost, it doesn't like too much heat. So that's why it's under the canopy of the Santa Rosa Weeping Plum, Flavor Grenade Pluot, White Sapote. So if you have a place where it has more shade than sun, it's better, in my experience. If you plant it somewhere with not a lot of shade, you're going to experience a lot of dieback. Now for the things I like about this variety. This variety has the most beautiful leaves I've ever seen in any shrub or berry plant that I've grown or that I've seen before. It's really bright blue, purple hues. It's amazing colors in the early spring. So if you want an edible berry plant but also an ornamental, you can't go wrong with the Bountiful Blue. The berries are really good as well, but not as good as the Sunshine Blue in my opinion. If you provide a lot of shade for this variety, Bountiful Blue, it is a very vigorous grower, more so than any other variety I grow. This variety loves wood chip mulching more than the other ones that I grow, and it loves being foliar fed with seaweed and fish emulsion, more so than the other varieties. This variety loves to be foliar fed, seems to grow even faster than the other varieties of blueberries I have, compared to them being sprayed with the same foliar feeding routine. It is a very early producer of berries. We've already ate the berries off of this plant. Then right after this, my other varieties start to ripen. So if you want an early ripening blueberry, Bountiful Blue is the way to go. The taste of this blueberry is amazing, almost on par with the Sunshine Blue, but it will not disappoint in taste and in size, much larger than the Sunshine Blue. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.